Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you get nice day. Welcome back to my channel Sang Pemandu. So I just today my activities go to the my garden. So you can see that the fruit over there. It's a local fruit here in South Sumatra Island in Indonesia. But if you go on to the market, it's hard to find this fruit. It's the only one in South Sumatra Island in Indonesia. That's the yellow color is already ripe, and then green color is still not ripe. But you can consume the yellow one, yellow color over there. Yeah, it's so many of fruit because now it's a fruit season here, and then it's still green color. Is I think it's not ripe over there. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and thank a lot to support this channel. Yeah, I just take this fruit over there. But if you go to the market in Indonesia, it's a special. If you go to the Java Island, it's hard to find this fruit, because this is the only one in South Sumatra Island in Indonesia. But if you go to the Sumatra Island in Indonesia, you can see this fruit in this market. I mean in local market, traditional markets. I think, especially right now because now it's a fruit season here. Yeah, it's the garden of this fruit. I just try to touch this fruit. I think it's below one. Yeah, I think it's about only 1/2 meter from the ground. Yeah, I try to touch it. This fruit. Okay, guys. Thank a lot to support this channel. Thank a lot to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. I hope you enjoy. Oke, kawan-kawan, ini adalah buah duku ya. Buah duku yang ada hanya di Pulau Sumatera ya. Kalau di Pulau Jawa, pulau lain itu susah buah-buah ini. Kalaupun dia kalian pergi ke lokal market, pasar lokal, pasar tradisional di selain di Pulau Sumatera, ini susah menemukan buah ini. Buah ini hanya tumbuh di Pulau Sumatera ini. Khususnya di Pulau Sumatera, khususnya di Sumatera Selatan. Gitu ya, yang ada. Kalau di tempat lain ini jarang ada. Aku sudah pergi ke Kepulauan Riau tapi tidak pernah menemukan ini. Di Pulau Jawa pun juga tidak ada pohon duku ini, guys. Terima kasih sudah support channelnya, guys. Jangan lupa untuk share video ini dan tekan tombol subscribe, like, dan komen. Nanti aku akan tunjukkan lagi lain, video-video kegiatan yang lain, buah-buah yang lain di durasi kali ini. Semoga video ini bisa menghibur kalian semua dan semoga kalian mendapatkan hari yang baik dan indah. Itu yang warna kuning sudah matang, yang warna hijau itu belum matang, masih itu asem ya. Itu pohon-pohonnya ini ada memang khusus untuk kebunnya buah ini ya, buah duku ini ya. Itu buahnya lumayan lebat ini. Dan ya lumayan lah. Ini sebenarnya kebun ini kan aku kebetulan lewat aja di sini melalui ke kebun aku. Jadi ini bukan punya aku ya, ini punya orang. Okay, guys, and then next I want to show you this one. This is I think is I think the wild deer can consume this fruit. Yeah, you can see over there, right? This wild deer, squirrel, some bird can consume this fruit, over that. Then yellow color is already ripe. Green color is still not ripe. You can see that the green color is already ripe, and green color is not still ripe. Yeah. Today this is my activities to show you the about this rare plantation in here in this jungle, small jungle. And then also you can see there's the palm tree over there, palm plantation. Yeah. Okay, guys. The next, this is the path to the this jungle. Yeah, I just walk uh, over there onto the top this spot, and then you can see so many the the yeah, special plantation, and that's the palm plantation. I tried to take uh, took by my camera. I think it's not still not arrived. I think, yeah. I just walk, keep going to on the top this spot. You can see that one I can touch. Yeah, I try to touch this fruit. So many squirrel, bird, and then wild deer to consume this fruit. This plantation fruit. It is special in here. I think, but I think in Southeast Asia, you can see that this fruit before. But for I think it's not can be eaten by human. I think it's cannot be eaten by human. I think because I think it's special for the animal like squirrel, chiefed, wild deer. I think can consume this plantation fruit. I think it's not but for human. But I never try. I never seen the humans to eat this plantation fruit. Yeah, this is part to this on the top. The next, I want to show you the rubber plantation. Yeah, rubber plantation over there. I hope the one uh, over there. I mean, I have found one who was taping the rubber tree here. Yeah, you can see the one already taping the rubber tree, rubber plantation over there. Yeah, you can see right the rubber. Try to touch it. The the rubber plantation. I think it's this already can be synthetic. I think so. Yeah, I think the one already taping the rubber plantation, rubber tree. I mean, yeah, over there. You can see right on the top. I try to catch by my camera on the top the rubber plantation. Yeah, you can see that the rubber. You can see so many so many the tire made from this rubber plantation. Yeah, I think but rubber plantation have to through the process go to the manufacturer first, and then become the tire. You know. Yeah, I try to show you the rubber plantation and the one already taping the rubber trees before. Yeah, this one. I don't know, but I didn't found the one who taping this rubber tree. But I just try to catch by my camera. Yeah, with the rubber plantation. Yeah, just keep going one by one to this. Okay, you can see the rubber, right? Rubber plantation. I think it's already. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Yeah, this one's. I think the one already gone maybe from here. I tried to take to took it to force it. I think the rubber. I think so many. I think it's the rubber plantation. So many people here to plant this rubber plantation to make life. Okay, see you. Bye bye.